What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade breakdown video. Today is a banger. We actually took this in Asia session a little bit before on the 30-minute time frame. So this was an $11,000 take profit. I'm gonna put that on screen right now. It was just an absolute banger, but let's get right into it. So we see that we had a lot of low volume in this entire day compared to if you look at the rest of the market, how it's been. This entire day was pretty low volume. So I was looking for when we open the next trading day to be pretty volatile, and it kind of was. But that starts in Asia session. So Asia session, we wanted to see price go ahead and sweep New York PM lows into this order block CE on 30-minute, which it did exactly that, which gives us our setup, and we took longs as we up closed out of the order block to give us that full confirmation. And put the stop loss under the order block, obviously, because if price were to close past that order block, it would invalidate the trade. And we set our take profit. Originally, I wanted New York AM highs, but cycle through your time frames. It's really important. We see we had this big order block and inverse fair value gap stack on the 4-hour. So I put my take profit at the CE because obviously when they stack up like this, the CE is the point of rejection that is the strongest. So put my take profit there, hit to a tick, literally. Well, almost a tick, but literally just perfect take profit. Very clean, very precise. I mean, you just got to know where you're targeting during these trades, and that's why it's important to really cycle through these time frames, because you never know. Like if I wanted New York AM highs and I would have held it, I would have just gotten complete break even. I mean, we were trailing obviously, but it would not have turned out great. And actually, we had that same setup for when we swept New York PM highs in London. Obviously, that gave us the rejection off of the order block and the fair value gap stack to go ahead and get our setup the opposite way. So someone that actually did catch that, he's big brain. Shout out Daniel again. I'm gonna put his trade up on screen. It was just a banger right there. Yeah, so our system's been cooking. The way that the market has been giving us these trades, it's very picky on which session sweep it wants to give us to really give us these reversals. But overall, it's just been great price action. This trade actually we took this on Monday. So this thing about this trade was that I was up mad late for it, and we wanted to see price in Asia go ahead and sweep New York AM highs, tap this fair value gap, and give us our entries. But yeah, as soon as we swept New York AM highs and hit this fair value gap, I wanted to see price give me an inverse fair value gap that can go ahead and give us confirmation for the reversal. So we got exactly that in London, plus the order block, which gave me extra confirmation. And then we wrote it out into New York PM lows, and that hit perfectly again. I'm going to put that trade on screen right now. I think it was around an $18,000 take profit. So just an absolute banger. It's really easy. Like I hit this in my sleep. I woke up to a take profit notification. Literally showing you guys it does not get easier than, you guys like NQ, it does not get easier than Euro USD. It really doesn't. Like this is very passive at this point. Actually, we had the identical setup this morning, a little bit out of London. If you look at this, swept Asia lows into the exact same order block CE. Gives us the exact setup that I caught. Almost literally identical. So, price is giving us exactly what it wants. This week is being so good to us. We're going to continue to cook. But yeah, that's a trade breakdown. Make sure you guys comment what you want to see next. I know a lot of you guys have been DMing me. It's working for you guys. What you guys see from the YouTube video. So I'm going to keep getting that out for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.